Hello and welcome to Saxon Lesson 50 Multi-Step Equations. Now, one of the things we're going to work on starting soon is working with multi-step equations. And when you work with multi-step equations, it's absolutely imperative that you do this in the correct order. So, I have here negative 2x minus 5 equals 9. We cannot touch the x yet, so we have to do this one first. So, what I'm going to do is erase that. We'll go back. Since we're subtracting 5, we have to do the opposite. So we're going to add 5 to both sides, which now gives us negative 2x is equal to 14. Divide each side by negative 2. And x is equal to 7. Now we're not done, because what we want to do is we want to put this back into the equation to make sure that it's correct. So if we do negative 2 times negative 7 minus 5 equals 9, negative 2 times a negative 7 is equal to 14 minus 5 equals 9. That's the check step. Do that. Here's another one. 3x plus 1.2 equals 5.4. First thing we have to do is subtract 1.20 from both sides, which leaves us with 3x is equal to 4.20. So we divide each side by 3. Gets rid of that. How many 3's go in there? It's going to be 12. Or x is equal to 1.2. You can read my answer well. It's like reading tithe. Here's another one. Now this one has an extra added step to it. We have an x and an x, so let's take care of that first. 3x minus x is 2x plus 4 equals 28. Subtract 4. 2x equals 24, x equals 12. Put the 12 back in. 36 plus 4 minus 4, or minus 12. So 36 is 40 minus 12 is 28. Look, it is practice setting stars.